Hi there, this is another 1 minute video, and this time I'm in MapInfo 17. I have a geotiff loaded and simple some sample points on top. They're towns and villages, and what I want to do is take the cell value from the raster, i.e. the height, and store it inside the point layer, and actually give it a new table. So when I click on a point at the moment, for example that one, down here you see I have a cell value. If I click in very low there, cell value 648 meters. So what I'm going to do is take those values and put them into a table. So I go to point inspection, go to the raster, make sure the raster is selected that I'm using, which is SRTM one. The point layer is the sample towns. I'm going to create a new point layer, and I'm going to call it, I'll keep the raster name, towns with elevation. And I can display the output file straight away. Let's process that. So it happened very quickly. It's only a small data set. You can see I've done it before there. It's extremely quick there, less than half a second. And when you look at my listed table names now, town names in this table, you'll see that there's a elevation value, a grid cell value attached from that SRTM. If I go back to the original towns and look at the browse table, it was simply the name of a town. But now I've added a value from the geotiff onto this town's table.